Hey guys, if your TikTok sound was removed, today's video I'm going to show you some steps that you can fix it. So first of all, it might be removed due to copyright issues. For example, if you have been using the sound that has copyright in it, you might get flagged and the sound might automatically be removed from your video. If that's the case, first of all, you have to select the video where you had that issue. It doesn't matter if you have already uploaded it. For example, if this was the video, what you have to do is select Add Sound and choose a different sound this time. Next is, if you have a business account, you cannot use all the sounds that a personal TikTok account can use. So be mindful of the sounds that you are using if you have a business account. And you can also appeal to TikTok Help Support. For that, select this 3-bar icon and go for Settings and Privacy. Now in here, scroll all the way below, select Help Center. If you think that sound was not copyrighted, if it was your own sound, if it still has been removed, here are the steps that you can simply process and have it solved. So select Chat with Us. As you do that, it will open up a customer support of TikTok. Here simply select Post and simply mention your issues. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.